This customer's chosen to protect his 2017 Range Rover Vogue with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. So this means he knows it's secure if someone grabbed the key, done a relay attack, unlocked it through the internet, remote started it, the vehicle's secure. So if someone grabbed the key or remote started it, got in, the vehicle's running, the gearbox rises, but it doesn't allow us to put it into gear. So you know it's going nowhere. You can preheat it in the mornings and you know it's still secure even if someone grabbed your key, had it in the vehicle and tried to drive off. For this customer, we have a simple code which obviously they can change. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 for the video. Receive that flash and we can select our gear. It's in drive and we're good to go. This is a self-activating system, so when you turn the car off, it self-activates, confirm for double flash. And now if someone tried to steal your key, steal your vehicle when you hopped out, you know it's going nowhere and it's secure. So you don't have to worry about turning this system back on. It self-activates and won't allow the vehicle to come out of park. So you know it's going to be where you left it in the morning. How you drive this, you start it up like you saw, pop a code in, receive that flash, and we're good to go. You can order one of these online at immobiliserfit.com. We can come out and install it for you, or you can give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a 2017 autobiography full-size Range Rover Vogue protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser.